Argumentum ad ignorantiam is Latin for argument from ignorance. This is an argument that uses a lack of proof or evidence to convince the listener that the subject in question cannot be taken seriously or should be discounted completely. Often the lack of proof or evidence is meant to imply a refutation. The argumentum ad ignorantiam fallacy is quite common in religious discussions. For example, the existence of God has never been disproved, therefore God must exist. One of the serious problems with the ad ignorantiam fallacy is that in many cases its opposite can be argued in the same manner. For example, the existence of God has never been proved, therefore God does not exist. Simply because there is not verifiable evidence that a certain thing exists, this does not mean that its existence should be dismissed or not taken seriously. More importantly, we must remember that a lack of proof is not a refutation. More examples. 1. There is no proof that extra-terrestrials exist. Therefore, there must be figments of our imagination. 2. Since we have no physical evidence supporting the claim that Socrates was a real person, he must never have existed. Here we see a lack of evidence is used to dismiss the issue at hand. When we encounter little or no evidence in support of an assertion or claim, we should be honest with ourselves instead of jumping to hasty conclusions.